Hi guys, I welcome you to this very interesting topic of recording purchase type transactions in the accounting system. So as you will learn that purchases are a common type of transaction. Every business and every social organization has to purchase something or the other. So as given here that firms purchase items, a retailer purchases finished goods and sells them, a manufacturer purchases raw materials and after processing in factory sells finished products, a hospital purchases medicines and equipment. So we can say now that purchasing is a common type of business transaction. So I will show you how we record a purchase in an entry. That means the accounting record, and you will see that in the next slide. So to begin with, let's take a purchase type transaction first and see how it looks like. What are the components of a purchase type transaction? And then I'll show you how we record that transaction in a entry. So our transaction is purchase of 40 Samsung cell phones at $280 less 5% from Lexan Incorporated. Now I will discuss with you each item appearing here. The quantity is purchase of 40 Samsung cell phones. So 40 is the quantity that is purchased. The symbol at means that the rate is for one cell phone. So $280 is the price of one cell phone less 5%. So this 5% is the trade discount that was given at the time these 40 cell phones were purchased, and the purchase was from Lexan Incorporated. So Lexan Incorporated in this case is the name of the vendor from whom the purchase was made. Remember that this transaction is a credit transaction. So as you will appreciate that business nowadays is generally on credit. So you purchase items and then you make the payment later on. So the standard entry is we debit inventory account and we credit accounts payables. So these are the two accounts that are activated to record the purchase, and this is a standard entry. So now you will see in the next slide how the purchase was recorded. So now you got the entry in front of you. You can see that we have debited the purchase of cell phones to an inventory account, and we have given credit to accounts payable. Now there is a sub account down below inventory, and that is Samsung cell phone. So we have to mention as to what item has been purchased. So in this case it is the Samsung cell phone, and under accounts payable you can see the name of the vendor, which is in this case Lexan Incorporated. So remember that inventory is a parent account and it can have several sub accounts depending on the nature of the business. So if it's a cell phone, or if it's a TV, or if it's a computer, so whatever, that is a sub account to inventory. And likewise, in accounts payable, there could be many vendors. So for each vendor, there will be a separate account. So we write accounts payable dash Lexan Incorporated in this case. And if there is some other vendor, so we write that vendor's name as accounts payable. Now coming to the amount, so you will notice that the calculation involves uh, eliminating the trade discount, which is 5% in this case. So we deduct 5% from the price of the cell phone, which is 280. So we knock off $14 from 280. So we get the net 266. That is the net cost of one cell phone, and we multiply the net cost with the quantity purchased, which is 40 in this case, and we get this amount 10,640. That is the total cost of purchasing 40 Samsung cell phones. Right, let's proceed further. So this is the standard entry to record purchases, and I suggest that you do some practice to gain confidence on preparing purchase type entry. So in the next few slides, you will find some transactions. Try yourself, prepare the purchase entry, and that's it, guys, for the time being. So see you around, and we'll meet again in some very interesting topic in accounting next time. Until then, bye for now, and have a nice day.